Huawei is introducing Watch GT5. The watch follows the now established design with an octagonal body and a circular graduate bezel. Before go to deep, friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Huawei Watch GT5 this generation will come in 44mm and 42mm sizes, meaning that the smaller option will be a millimeter wider. GT4 visions were 46mm and 41mm. The GT5 has an OLED display. Dimension the same, 1.43 and 1.32 inches. The biggest difference in this generation will be the new TrueSense health monitoring system. The tech incorporates heart rate tracking, SpO2, and respiratory rate measurements, blood pressure and body temperature, all of which we have seen on other Huawei watches. However, the sensor suite has been improved, as were the algorithm that combine the data. The Huawei Watch GT5 will be the first watch to feature the TrueSense system. The smartwatch has a sensor as a new glass for the back that better blocks ambient light, which can interface with the optical sensors. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.